Good day to you all. I'm your host, Uncle TK. Dhaga Boy TV, exciting and informative. As promised in my previous video, today I am going to share with you videos on seamless gutter installation we recently did in Westgate, Harare and Tinwood North, also of Harare. Please note that this service is not only limited to Harare but is available throughout Zimbabwe. The main focus of this channel is to share videos of actual work being done. Also, your contributions on how I can improve my presentation of this channel is most welcome. Do you have any information that you wish to share with viewers of this channel and feel that it is informative or exciting? Don't hesitate to get in touch with me via the contact details appearing on your screen or through the comment section. Until my next video, be blessed and stay focused in whatever you do. Dhaga Boy TV, exciting and informative. Goodbye.
Nyanzi dzasvika pabasa. Ido motikari yegatarani. Tova takuratidzai before imba yaida kuitwa. Tokuratidzai after.
Ngoro ndaimbotanga daiso izodaiso.
Uchaita ngo uchaipira besu uku.
Imbo daiso. Ngaimbo yakadaiso kuti awo akasika kuteera manje ndozvandi kutaura.
Aiwa, bho tototi arana chenda uku. Ipapo patwe bho.
2 years straight. Uya.
Iyi ndo imba yacho. Then tichakushowa ima pictures nema videos tapedza. Rinopfuura. Unoda ridumirise zveginyi here. Iro rakapfuura rega. Mainjiniya anenge atopedza kudhara. Unyanya uri kuedza mudenga rida unokedzera pasi.
We are cutting the roof, we are cutting the tiles to adjusting so that there is no overflow on the gutters. Adeline, Westgate, tapedza basa. Seamless gutters, yapedza basa. Tibatei ma clients, tibatei vabereki, vavaki, tikuitirei zvona basa rakanaka raitwa iri. The seamless gutters.
Realview seamless gutters and engineering. Small project Westgate katopera. Seamless gutter installation. By downpipe rukuiswa natinotenda. Nyanzvi yesilicone. Maionere nyanzvi yesilicone rukuisa downpipe. Arwa silicone hanzi ina Kelvin yakafuta zvisingaite kukadomo. Kana asida kumboprova kuti Down pipe inorova. Realview seamless gutter. Installation in progress. Tiri kumadokero. Seamless gutter installation haitwa ne Realview seamless gutters in engineering. Masini manyama. Maduterere makwadi. Kana wada ngoitwa pako unongoti bata. Tova chakuna isira.